Box Quattro. Box number 4. Oh. Of 20. 16 more to go. See what I get. And number 4. Alright. Pack 1. Right off the bat, his Travis Blackley autograph, unnumbered. Right out the gate. Here's Davy Cruz, silver. Cruz. Here's a silver of Alan Trammell and a jersey card of Kevin Millwood. Alright, here is Adam Dunn, red parallel, number 12 of 250. Silver parallel of Roger Clemens. Actually, is this gold again? Yep, gold. Number 8 of 50, gold, Roger Clemens. Nothing there. Silver of Michael Barrett. Here's a bat of Davy Cruz. Make sure that don't go out. Silver of Willie Wilson. Again. I think that's number 2. Silver of Eric Chavez. It's going to be some fun putting some sets together. Man, it's going to be some fun. Here is Willie Harris, red parallel, number 245 of 250. Here is Casey Fossum, silver parallel, and Frank White bat card. So that's 2 bat cards, 1 jersey so far. And after this pack, I'll have a whole roll to go. Be nice to get a box with 2 autographs. Here's Mike Lowell. I'm quite sure I will eventually. Hopefully. Silver parallel. Be nice to get another recollection. Here's Jeff Kent, silver parallel. See if you can get 2 or 3 of those per case. That would be nice. Jersey card, black jersey with missing stitching of Mike Lowell. That's pretty nice. Can't beat the color swatches. Besides with a patch. Silver parallel of Sammy Sosa. Blue parallel of Tom Glavine, number 64 of 100. red parallel of Tony Oliva, and that's number 80 of 250. Red parallel. About 6 packs to go. Pinstripe, nice. Mike Piazza, blue pinstripe, that's nice. Unnumbered jersey card. Silver parallel of Ichiro. Only rookie I know that came out with a one name on a card. Ichiro. Here's Joe Morgan, blue parallel, number 46 of 100. And looks like I should be getting a couple more hits here. Here's the Ricky Henderson, silver parallel. Only got 3 packs left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits so far. Here's one. Here's a silver of Alfonso Soriano and a bat card of Walter Young on the Orioles. 2 packs left. Red parallel of Greg Maddux, 165 of 250. Final pack in this box. George Foster bat card. And that is it for box number 4. See ya.